Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, on Sunday after Izingane Zesthembu episode aired, after it was done playing, Mpumelelo put up the status and I just thought to myself, this guy, he put up the status that says or reads as follows, your shembe woman. It's really Zandla, like woman, and he puts an emoji where this lady like is putting her hands on her head and he's like, God just been him for. And I'm just like, guys, you know the episode was wild. It was wild because like it was around Mpumelelo and woman centering his name. Firstly, it was the whole Vuyokazi thing. Vuyokazi basically calling him out for the promises he made and the stuff that he did. Not only that, you guys, the trailer of next week's episode. Remember Uvuyokazi's friend eventually arrives. Uvuyokazi's friend eventually arrives and we see Uvuyokazi's friend having like some sort of argument with Usne's friend. And they are having an argument over Mpumelelo, which I don't get, you guys, because like why is it them who are having an argument about Mpumelelo, whereas Mpumelelo even asked Usne's friend, Witsi Image, like, do you guys know one another? Like why you guys are coming for one another like that? When you guys don't even know one another. That time they even, like, Vuyaz is not there, Tirelo's not there, they're not the ones having the argument. I'm just like, Banganat, like, especially Sne's friend. Like, I don't get it, you guys. And Mpumelelo puts up this status, and I'm like, oh, you think it's a laughing matter? I'm like, this guy, ne? He's like a woman and he's laughing and he's like Mpumelelo for like to say like what did you put yourself through, bro, but laughing. Is this not the same guy who basically said if one woman can make you happy, imagine five of them? I'm just like please, most of these men, you guys, cry over one woman. They can't properly take care of one woman, and then you want five, and then you want to act like you've got things together. Please don't lie to us. We all know, even in Izithembu sikababa wakhe, he's got five women or four women rather, and yet it's still not perfect. Is he not the one in Uthando Nezithembu who's forever stressed because the one's like this, the one's like this, because we all different in characters. So you can see he only says Ubaba Mseleko only says the rest when there's family meetings and all of that. So I feel like yes, they come out and portray it as if it's perfect, it's a nice thing, but nah, there's no such thing. And I'm just like, Mpumelelo is gonna wait and see. For now it looks all nice because he thinks a woman are begging him, or whatever the case may be. But I'm just like, this that you're taking up, it's a huge responsibility, sir. And eventually it's gonna catch up with you. Is it not Ubaba Msele who was basically saying now people are gonna have to qualify for the things that he does for them because quite frankly people don't respect him. So he's basically saying woman or his woman must go work for themselves because he's not going to be supporting women who are disrespectful towards him. Have you seen what Babum Selegu's Izithembu, like what it has gotten to, you guys, of how those women are fed up of him? The majority of him are really like they don't care and quite frankly are showing symptoms of disrespect. I'm like, you don't ever want to get a woman to that point, you guys, because once you get her to that point where I don't care, that point where she doesn't care, you're going to start calling her disrespectful, you're going to start saying she doesn't love you, you start all of those things. So Mpumelelo now, it seems like all fun and games, and I don't know, you guys. I don't know, but clearly like Usamnande, and when like he's still enjoying himself with women like bickering over him, woman crying over him. Like it's still a nice thing for him. And I'm like, everyone has their day. I'm not gonna use the phrase that they normally use, but everyone has their day, you guys. You don't live on this earth and do whatever you do to people and think, Uti, you're gonna live carefree. No. No, and he knows it too. That's why he went to go and pay damages for Mpumelelo, because he said he doesn't want to start Izithembu's psyche with people's tears. So likewise, you can't go around making people cry, breaking people's hearts, treating them whatever way you want to treat them, like always making things about you and think it's not going to come back to you. No, sir. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.